Hi everyone, it's Sam Saham and we're back again this week at DIY House. First of all, I'd like to apologize for me being MIA for a little bit. I've just been really busy with my outdoor patio. So what I'm doing now is just trying to get all the accessories together. I'm going to show you how you can save yourself some money. So I had some throw pillows around the house, lots of these, and I decided to make my own outdoor pillows. Pretty, huh? And what I did was I just bought a shower curtain, and I'll just show you guys how to do it and save you some money. I went to JYSK and found these, it was a shower curtain, and it has like the design on it, so I just thought that, you know, I needed something with a lot of fabric that it wouldn't cost an arm and a leg. So basically these, the fabric is water resistant because you're using it for the shower already. And what I did was I just pulled it out and I started to form my pillow. So I started to cut the sizes that I needed. And right now I'm going to hand sew them because I lost my sewing machine cord. So I have to hand sew them because I want to get this done. And it's just a fun way to accessorize. And all we're doing is just going to do basic sewing. What I do to cut a corner is actually I fold it, and this will be the top of my pillow so you don't see any seams or anything. And then I'll just sew it inside out 3 ways, and then flip it around, and then I'll sew the outside. And I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so I have gone ahead and so it's just a basic straight stitch by my hand. And I've now sewed the 2 corners, or the 2 sides. And of course, remember, we were trying to cut some time in there. So once you flip this around, pull out the corners there, and then you get kind of a bag. Here's our bag. And what I do is just stick my pillow inside. It doesn't have to be pretty. Oops, wrong way. We're gonna stick our pillow inside. Now, all we do on the top is sew that down. We're going to fold it both sides in, trying to get it as fluffy as we can. So I'll just fold it inside here, and then I'll hand sew this part too. And basically that's all there is to it. And you get this water resistant $7.99 for a huge piece of material, and it's our accent pillows for the outside. I just wanted to show you the sewing, if you can see that. So it's just an out stitch on the ends here of the pillow. And what I do is just, I'm folding this in, and then I stitch it in around and around this way. I don't have hands right now, so that's why I can't show you here. Let me try. I would take this, hold the fabric in, and then just pull through. And that one, this side I would do is just leave the side bottom down so then people aren't seeing the stitching. But that's all there is to it. And we're almost done here.